The default case of a word is the U case. How do we know something is in the U case? It will end in a dhamma. So whether it's 1 or 2, it doesn't matter. The fact that it ends in a dhamma tells us it's in the U case. So, why is masna'un in the U case? Because that's a default ending of a word, right? Why is its adjective in the U case? Well, adjectives, they mindlessly copy whatever the noun they're describing, yeah? So, since masna'un is in the U case, its adjective is also in the U case. It's the same thing with the definite words. So, al-masna'u is in the U case. Why? Because that's the default ending. Why is its adjective also in the U case? Because the adjective has just mindlessly copied the word it's describing, yeah? So you can see this is the default ending of words, that they end in dhammas, they end in the U case. However, prepositions come along, and an example of a preposition is something like fi, which means in. And what they do is they have the power to change cases. So, whenever a preposition comes along, the words, they change cases, so they're no longer in the U case, they turn into the I case. So, how do you know something is in the U case, or how do you know something is in the I case? So, we said all words, the default ending of words are dhammas because they're in the U case. And if something is in the I case, it will end in a kasra. Why will something be in the I case? If it's preceded by a preposition. So, masna'un is currently in the U case. How do I turn it into the I case? I get rid of the 2 dhammas and I replace it with 2 fathas. Why did I put masna'un in the I case? Because it's preceded by a preposition. So let's move on to masna'un's adjective. Is masna'un's adjective still going to be in the U case? No, because the word it's describing is not in the U case anymore, it's in the I case. So its adjective will also be in the I case. So let's slow that down, yeah? So, the adjective is in the I case because the word it's just mindlessly copied is in the I case. Why is this word in the I case? Because it's preceded by a preposition. Let's do that example again. Yeah, it's the same thing whether the phrase is definite or indefinite. So let's use that example again. So the default phrase is al-masna'u al something with this adjective, yeah? A preposition comes along and it turns it from the U case and puts it in the I case. What's the I case? What's the symbol that something is in the I case? The kasra. So we just put 1 kasra, so we get rid of the 1 dhamma and we make it 1 kasra. And the adjective, and its adjective will also copy along, yeah? So, the adjective is in the I case because the word it's describing is in the I case. Al-masna'u is in the I case because it's preceded by a preposition.